Nothing new here. The market is simply still selling off due to the fear of the Federal Reserve and their interest rate hike. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. I don't want to overcomplicate today's video. I know in yesterday's video I might have spoken a little bit longer than I should have. A lot of people are digging and asking for questions. I'm getting a bunch of messages on Discord, a bunch of messages on Instagram, which I do appreciate, but there's nothing new that has been announced, right? The consumer sentiment report did come out. It came out better than expected, right? We came in at 103, which means that based off of expectation being at 97.4, people as in consumers think that, we're doing better than expected. I'm riding the wave, right? SQQQ is up 4.1% on the day. We're at $45 a share. I'm up $16,000 once again. $16,000 today. I was up $6,000 or $7,000 yesterday. I was up $53,000 the day before. We've been absolutely just killing it in this market. You should never be afraid to lock in profits. I don't expect this thing to be super, long-lived in the sense of we all know that markets tend to be more bullish than they are bearish. Fear is simply being injected into the market. The VIX is slowly going up based off of how it started today, and it's because of what was said on Friday. The Federal Reserve will continue to raise interest rates more aggressively and or just as aggressive, which was not what was expected. For those that are newer to the market, yes, it is just that news and that market sentiment that is causing all of this selling pressure. It's a fear, right? Like we all know, any reaction tends to be an overreaction in the stock market. I love shorting, and I think it's a great way to make money in a short period of time. Do I think it's for beginners, or do I think it's something that you should always focus on? Definitely not. I think now would be an amazing time to prepare for when the market recovers. Not that it's going to recover anytime soon, but we have this up-and-coming CPI data report in early September. That will show us if inflation has peaked. And then shortly after, we have the interest rate hike that the Federal Reserve will announce during the FOMC meeting. Please, please, please. Anytime that the market dips, it is simply a dip buy opportunity for long-term investors. Understand that. Don't, get super scared to the point where you just feel like you're sitting on your hands. There will never be a perfect time to invest in something by knowing where the absolute bottom of a stock is. If you look at something like QQQ, we are testing $300 as its support. We talked about this. I talked about this in yesterday's video. I talked about this, all of last week. Some people listened, some people did not. And it wasn't that I knew that it was going to get to $300 a share. I'm not going to pretend like I did, but I knew that we were testing the support at the EMA. And I knew that if we broke below, we can head back down to that $300 support. And that is exactly where we are today. If we break below and make lower lows, if we continue to sell off below that $300 support, the next leg down can be as low as 280. And that's a pretty significant drop, right? If you look at the overall actual NASDAQ future, right? We talked about this yesterday, where we were trying to look at previous support levels, previous resistance levels, and we were showing strong signs of consolidation, but then we just broke right below that previous support. Market is bearish right now. Market sentiment is bearish right now. There's a lot of selling pressure. This should excite you for our long-term investors and for those that are not trying to make money now, but are trying to make money in the future. Watch that position size and create those effective alerts. Formulate those plans of action of what 1, 2, maybe 3 different stocks you are going to buy and invest in and try to make money months from now or years from now. I know that I'm buying more Apple. I'm going to buy more Amazon. I'm going to buy more Tesla. And I'm going to buy more TQQQ. Those are the ones that are my focus. What are yours, right? Now is the time to prepare for the market to recover. Not because it's going to soon, but because we know it's going to. And during down markets are the best time to prepare for those. And that's what I wanted to talk about. I know a lot of people might not be feeling the best because of how much the market is selling off. I'm going to ride this wave. I've already reduced my position size into thirds, right? I had over 12,000 shares and now I only have 4,000 shares. I'm up 17, almost $18,000 on the day, and I'm not afraid to lock in profits because I know the market can change in a moment's notice. And I'm excited to prepare for this market recovery. Remember, you can see based off of the comment section, you can see based off of how people speak. The only people that get scared when the market dips are those that did not prepare. Do not be one of those people. Always know that worst case scenario can always strike, and this is why you watch your position size and you never get over your head, and this is why you stay level-headed. I appreciate your time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. If you have any questions, send me a message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description of this video. I traded live, and my entire trade from today, the $18,000 and how it started, was all caught in today's live trading session. You hear me talk about them all the time. It's my Learn Plan Profit group. No, it's not a free group. I have 2,000 free videos. If you want to learn for free and on your own, you can learn on YouTube, right? On your own. You don't even just have to watch my videos. But if you want to work with me and watch me trade live every day, if you want my time and my assistance, then that is the only group that I work with on a closer basis. And if you're tired of missing out, if you're tired of not understanding why the market is doing what it's doing in real time, again, I'm going to be trading every day. I'm going to trade live tomorrow at market open, and you get access to this for a lifetime. So click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. If you have any questions, again, send me a message via Discord, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and that's that third link down below. I appreciate you guys' time. We are going to be running and ending that iMac sale. So if you want to enter that giveaway, we're giving away a brand new Apple iMac, and it ends on September 9th. So again, click the fourth link down below, make sure that you enter, and for every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries. We'll see you guys for the next live trading. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.